Repotting your houseplants is a great way to make your plants a little happier in the winter time and also to make yourself a little happier by getting your hands in some living soil when it's covered in snow outside. How I like to repot my plants is by using the old soil that was already in the pots and combining it with a new potting soil like Coast of Maine or a high quality soil blend that you've made yourself, and a little bit of a soil amendment, whether it's worm castings, biobuilder, or both. I'll put a little bit of the old soil in the very bottom of the pot where the roots aren't touching, and then where the roots are touching is where I put the new soil and the amendments mixed in together. I'll pack it down with the old soil where the roots aren't really touching, more towards the top of the plant, and then place the plants intentionally where I feel like they want to go. I like to put on some music with this and really have some fun.